Hello and welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you our brand new email writing tool that is incredibly fast and easy to use. Here you're going to first go to All Crafts, create a new craft, and choose email. From here, we're going to start off giving Craftify a little bit of information before we want to make your email. So here on the left-hand side, you'll see the configure section, and we're going to start to input this crucial information. Now, first of all, we have our context. So where do we want to pull all of our information from? You can do this based off of your business profile, any of your campaigns, services, or products. And it's really easy just to choose one of these. We're going to stick with business profile here. Then you're going to choose what type of email you're creating. So where are you going to send out a promotional email, a welcome email? Are we looking for an appointment type of email? You can create almost any type you're looking for here. We're going to create a unique one. You can also choose a custom one. And it's going to be, this one's just going to be other because it's not in these ideas. Okay, so what are my topics? What do I want to include in this email? What do I want to talk about? So I've decided this is going to be a happy birthday email to send to clients on their special day and give a 15% off discount code that can be applied towards a consultation. Now from here, if you want to add any information that's elsewhere also to your craft, you can do so here by clicking the plus sign and add a link or a topic research if you'd like. Now, coming down here to the call to action, this is optional, but we always love to add it. You can choose any of these many options for your call to action. And also you can just write one in if you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and add book now. All right. If you'd also like to add a link for this call to action, you can do so. I'm going to add our link here. All right, there we go. Now we have some advanced options that are all optional. You don't have to use them if you don't want to, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through them. If I chose my business profile, it's going to automatically pull in all of that information from my business profile. So the audience that's ideal for that, the tone of voice that I'm using, and I can then add any optional or additional ideas to this email. Now, if this is not the audience that you want to use, you can choose select audience. And here you can see the many different types of audiences that you might have created from before. And if you want to add another one, you can also discover a new audience before going forward. Right now, we're going to click craft email and see what Craftify makes for us. So you can see here, Craftify is thinking quite fast. And we're getting towards the next step of editing our email. So it takes just a couple of seconds. And we've got our subject, our preview for that subject. I really love this feature because I'm one of those people who always forgets to add my attachments. So you can add an attachment to this. So if you want to add your menu or your list of services, price list, things like that, you can add it here. Now, Craftify has already designed us a template for this email. We can go ahead and see what this looks like. This is what it'll look like on a computer and also here in the mobile view to get a good idea of what your email is going to look like. Now, we can also edit this email. So we'll open our email designer, and here we've got a lot of different choices that we can work with. Now, you've got predefined templates. If you would like to use one of these, you totally can. I see that we have a birthday one, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this current email with the birthday email, and it's going to automatically add my information from that email that I just created right in with the other content. All right, now I'm also going to see that my logo is not uploaded here, so I'm going to replace the media here. And, I wonder if I already have my email. Yeah, here we go. We have this already uploaded here. Let's add to this to the craft. Another way to add your logo in is coming down here to the left-hand side, and you can add your logo image up in here as well. All right. Now, you can also link all of your social media, so whenever you want to drag and drop that over into your email, you also can do so. Here you can see all of your different layers that are happening in your email if you'd like to edit that way. And to add different sections or different pictures, it's really easy to just add and drop all of these different elements into your email. So I'm just going to add an image section. I'll put it at the bottom here. And here we can replace the media and add something from our visual designer. Here's a cute cookie. We can add that to the image and add that to the craft. I'll choose that. All right. It's really easy to drag and drop these pieces together and then edit them. Another great thing is you can edit all of the text you're working with. You can bold it, you can underline it, anything that you would like. And then here on the right-hand side, you can change any of these elements if you'd like to change the font case, anything that fits your fancy and your unique branding, you can do that. Also, line height, color, style, all of this is included here on the right-hand side. Now just scrolling up, take a good look at the email. If we like it, that's great. If you want to keep on working on it, you can. I'm going to go ahead and add this new look of our email to our craft. We're going to see that pop up immediately and how that's going to work on your computer and also on your mobile. All right, let's go ahead and send email. From here, we just have a few things to fill in. It's already got it kind of filled in, but you're going to add your email address and then your reply to email. Then you'll select your email recipients. So you can either use your segments, which I have not done a tutorial yet for segments, and that's coming up soon. So I'll be showing you that in one of the next tutorials coming up. If you'd like to add a segment here, you can. And if you'd like to work with just the contacts you have, you can click the contacts you've got and go on to send. Now, this is what I really love. I love to schedule an email. So you can either send this email immediately or you can send it later. You can choose to send exactly what time. So if you have your list of people, what is their birthday, you have a friend who has a birthday on the 24th, friend or client, and you want to choose what time of day, that's fine. And then you can choose the time zone. Now, what I like to do always before sending an email is sending a test email. You can do that by clicking this button down here, and you'll just add your email here to see, so you can see what it looks like in live. I also recommend optimizing your delivery timing, especially if you're sending an email out to, like, say 400 or 500 people. You want it to move gradually so it doesn't make your account flag as spam. And then simply you'll just send the email. Once you've sent the email, it has been scheduled successfully to go on the 24th. And now you can go and see that in your content calendar. Let's see here, I've got the month here. Should be the only thing. Yep, here we go. There it is, set up and ready to go to 3 contacts on their birthday. So it's pretty simple how this works. I hope this has been helpful. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.